Summary of Republic Day celebration in India in 10 points. Number 1. Republic Day is the day when India celebrates the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect, that is 26 January 1950. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. Number 2. The main program of this day is the annual Republic Day Parade. The parade takes place every year on 26 January at Kartavya Path, which was earlier called as Rajpath. It is the main attraction of India's Republic Day celebrations, which last for 3 days. Number 3. Every year, the country also invites a foreign dignitary as the chief guest to the parade. In the year 2023, Egypt's President Abdul Fattah al-Sisi was the guest of honor. Number 4. Before the parade begins, the Prime Minister lays a floral wreath at the National War Memorial, previously at the Amar Jawan Jyoti Memorial, which is followed by 2 minutes silence in the memory of soldiers. Thereafter, he or she joins other Indian officials and foreign dignitaries to witness the parade. Subsequently, the President arrives along with the chief guest of the occasion. The ceremonies begin with a 21-gun salute once the flag is hoisted, accompanied by the Indian national anthem. Next, important awards like the Ashok Chakra and Paramveer Chakra are given away by the President to people from the armed forces for their exceptional courage in the field, and also the civilians for different acts of valor in different situations. Some children who receive National Bravery Award also take part in the parade, during which they ride in front of the spectators on some colorfully decorated elephants or vehicles. Number 6. This is followed by the regiments of armed forces starting their march past. 18 to 24 different regiments of the Indian Army, in addition to the Navy and Air Force, with their bands, march past in all their finery and official decorations. The President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, takes the salute. 12 contingents of various paramilitary forces of India and other civil forces also take part in this parade. Tableaus from various states signifying their cultures are displayed. These are usually based on cultural or historical milestones the states want to highlight. Tableaus from union territories and various ministries and departments depicting India's vibrant cultural heritage and economic and social progress are also a part of the parade on the Kartavya Path. Number 8. Daredevils from the Indian Army display their skills on motorcycles during Republic Day Parade in New Delhi. Cultural dances are also presented as a part of the parade. Number 9. On this day, air shows with fleets of aircraft streaking across the sky in dazzling formations are held by the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. The flypast by the Indian Air Force jets is one of the most stunning events that takes place on this day. Number 10. The beating retreat in New Delhi marks the end of the Republic Day celebrations. It is conducted on the evening of 29 January, the third day after the Republic Day. It is performed by the bands of the 3 wings of the military, the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. The chief guest to the event is always the President of India. Do like the video and subscribe to Learny Day.